Have you ever wondered how researchers analyze data, make prediction, and draw conclusion? Welcome to the fascinating world of statistics and probability. In this video, we'll break down its fundamental concepts to help you understand how data plays a vital role in everyday decision making. I am Hilary Chantes Jr. from the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in mathematics, and now we will be discussing about basic concepts of statistics and probability. First, what is statistics? Statistics is a branch of mathematics that focuses on collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting numerical data. It helps us make sense of large amount of information, whether in business, science, or everyday life. There are two main branches of statistics. Descriptive statistics. It summarizes and describes data through tables, graphs, and averages. The second one is inferential statistics. Makes predictions or generalization about a large population based on a sample set of data. At the core of statistics is data, which is collected and analyzed to provide insight. Data can be classified into two types. First is qualitative data and the quantitative data. When we say qualitative data, it refers to the non-numerical information such as opinions, interview, or observation. Quantitative data involves numerical data or numerical values like height, weight, or test scores. Where does data came from? First, in the primary data. Primary data is collected firsthand by researchers through surveys, experiments, or direct observation. Then the second one is the secondary data. It gathered from the existing studies, reports, or previous conducted research. Since studying an entire population is often impractical, researchers use sampling techniques to select representative groups. Sampling techniques is divided into two types: probability sampling and non-probability sampling. When we say probability sampling, it ensures every individual has an equal opportunity or chance of being chosen. Non-probability samplings involve selecting participants based on criteria rather than randomness. Here are some common probability sampling methods. First one is simple random sampling. Basically, when we say simple random sampling, it assigns numbers to all individuals and selects randomly. Second one, stratified random sampling. Divides a population into groups before sampling randomly. Systematic sampling. Selects every nth terms of individuals from a complete list. Second to the last is the cluster sampling. When we say cluster random sampling, it uses when the population is too large by selecting entire groups randomly. And definitely not the least, the multi-stage sampling combines different techniques for more complex selection process. Next one is the non-probability sampling method. It includes first purposive sampling. The purposive sampling in this, the researcher selects participants based on expertise or specific knowledge. Second one is the quota sampling. It ensures sample groups are proportional to the population. Last is the snowball sampling. The participants help recruit others for the studies. In probability, we often deals with random variables. These are numerical outcomes of random events and can be classified as first, discrete random variables, which takes an uncountable values like the numbers of students in a class. And the second one is the continuous random variable, which takes on an infinity or infinite numbers of values like measuring someone's height. In conclusion, statistics and probability help us make informed decisions by analyzing data and predicting outcomes, whether you're in research, business, or everyday life. Understanding these concepts will empower you to interpret information critically. So, keep exploring, keep questioning, and remember, data is everywhere. That's all. Thank you.